Filipino tech stocks. Technology companies have proved to be the best performing stocks over the last few decades, and with technology developing so quickly, there is no reason to believe that trend will stop now. Today, we will be checking out the 3 technology companies that Philippines have. Disclaimer: the information contained in this vlog is for educational purposes only. Do not take it as an investment advice. Go and research on your own. We do not admit liability if you rely on our data. Source used: simplywall.st website. Today is October 30th, 2021. Top 3. Ion. Last price is 0.87 per share. Negative 14.7% one-year return with capitalization of $728 million. Ionix Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, provides electronic manufacturing services in Asia, Europe, and North America. It operates through computer peripherals, telecom, automotive, consumer electronics, and real estate segments. The company provides printed circuit board assembly, box build assembly, compact disc read-write assembly, disk drive, magnetic head assembly systems, and subsystems assembly, as well as design and testing services. It also provides design, build, ship, and logistics services to computer equipment companies, and digital media devices, digital television capture, and audio product industries. In addition, the company offers communication equipment, as well as wireless, optical networking, wireline transmission, and enterprise networking equipment to telecommunication industries, and manufacturing processes and quality systems to automotive industries. Further, it owns and manages land, buildings, houses, apartments, and other structures, as well as rents warehouse and factory areas, and building improvements, and provides high-precision plastic products, plastic parts, injection molds, and other disposition of plastic parts. The company was incorporated in 1982 and is based in Caballao, the Philippines. Rewards. P/E ratio, 5.1x, is below the PH market, 13.4x. Earnings grew by 231.9% over the past year. Risk analysis. Earnings have declined by 10.3% per year over past 5 years. Does not have a meaningful market cap, PHP 712M. Top 2. Top 2. SGI with 1.20 per share market price. 20% one-year return and market cap of $2.2 billion. Solid Group Incorporated, an investment holding company, engages in the sale of mobile phones, devices, and accessories in the Philippines. The company operates through distribution, property and related services, technical support and solutions, and investment and other segments. It develops, leases, and sells industrial and other real estate properties, sells prefabricated modular house and office units, and engages in the hotel and restaurant operations. The company also provides broadband, cable, and satellite services, repair services for audio and video products, as well as after-sales, warehousing and distribution services, and logistics and assembly services for consumer electronic products. In addition, it offers financing and credit extension services for businesses, and trades in professional audio and video equipment. The company was formerly known as United Paracale Mining Company and changed its name to Solid Group Incorporated in June 1996. Solid Group Incorporated was incorporated in 1933 and is headquartered in Makati City, the Philippines. Rewards. P/E ratio, 7.9x, is below the PH market, 13.2x. Earnings grew by 44.7% over the past year. Risk analysis. Earnings have declined by 17.4% per year over past 5 years. High level of non-cash earnings. Does not have a meaningful market cap, PHP 2B. Top 1. IMI last price 8.88 per share. 1-year return is 37.9%. Market capitalization is $19 billion. Integrated Microelectronics, Incorporated, IMI, provides electronics manufacturing services, and power semiconductor assembly and test services worldwide. The company offers design and development solutions, such as power electronics, embedded systems, camera systems for advanced driver assistance systems, motor drive, power module, power semiconductor, LED lighting, display design, RF module, IoT modules, and applications, as well as hardware and software development, mechanical design, and mechatronic design, printed circuit board layout, mechanical, thermomechanical modeling and simulation, and product validation testing solutions, advanced manufacturing engineering solutions, new product introduction services, camera design and development, and test and systems development services, including automotive testing, platform-based solutions, and embedded automation. It also provides manufacturing solutions, such as complete box build, subassembly, component assembly, restriction of hazardous substances compliance system, precision machining and assembly, and automated through-hole assembly, as well as automotive camera and power modules design and manufacturing solutions, plastic injection solutions, precision machining solutions, motorcycle assembly solutions, and system integration solutions. In addition, the company offers support services, such as analytical testing and calibration, reliability test, operational efficiency, failure analysis test, calibration, and supplier quality engineering. Further, it exports printed circuit board assemblies, flip chip assemblies, electronic sub-assemblies, box build products, and enclosure systems. The company serves automotive, industrial, medical, storage device, consumer electronics, non-electronic products, and other industries. The company was incorporated in 1980 and is headquartered in Binan, the Philippines. Integrated Microelectronics, Inc. is a subsidiary of AC Industrial Technology Holdings Incorporated. Rewards. Trading at 84.6% below our estimate of its fair value. Earnings are forecast to grow 72.83% per year. Became profitable this year. Risk analysis. Interest payments are not well covered by earnings. Large one-off items impacting financial results.